Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Motorola Edge 70. So first, test your charger, check it out if it's not broken in any way, and check the compatibility if the port works. As you can see, it does. So now go into the settings, the battery, charge boost, and make sure that it is enabled. You can clean the charging port with non-metallic tools, so just the wooden sticks, compressed air, or Q-tips. And you can test the charger with another phone or this phone with another charger and outlet. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.